Yes, I'm selling the GTR. Took me a while to come to terms with it, but it's the reasoning for selling the GTR is what finally got me to let go of it. The guy is buying the car today, or I'm meeting him at the bank after he is done with work. Been through a lot of cars over the years. I started out with Eclipses, non-turbo, turbo Eclipses, got into the Supra game, then I've gone sort of VIP, I've gone all-wheel drive with the Evo. By far, this car has been the most fun on the street that I've driven. Wasn't the highest horsepower, but perfect power for the street. But I guess it's time to let it go. So when I first got the car, I knew it was either this or try to buy a house. And we all know in Hawaii, it is super expensive to buy a house. But we weren't too keen on buying a house at the time, so I ended up getting this. Median single family home price is about $600,000. It is super high. So before it goes up anymore, I think we should get back, or I think we should get into the game. Start investing. Let it appreciate, get some investments going. The reason why we didn't want to buy a house before was because we didn't really want that responsibility of having to fix everything, be responsible for a whole house and everything like that on our own. But now we realize the importance of investment. No, we did realize it earlier, but I don't know. But when we didn't want to buy the house, I was like, okay, well then, I'm gonna buy my toy. The goal is to have investment property, so after that, maybe we can go, or maybe we can get another toy later on, but we'll see. So yesterday we did like a farewell GTR video. We did some fun stuff, so that's what this video is gonna be about. First I had to wash the car, of course, and then we met up with my friend, a friend from high school. Turns out he runs all the FPV races here on the island, which is really cool, which something I want to get into. But we met up with him and his friends, a few other pilots. We weren't doing anything crazy because we were on city streets. I invited my friend Brennan. You've seen him in my past videos with the Nismo GTR. And then I had a couple friends that wanted to take their offspring for a ride in the GTR. Of course, letting the car go is a hard thing, but I've rationalized it. It's taken me a while, but I think I've come to terms with it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. With my friend, the badass FPV pilot over there. He brought a few other pilots to chase me and Brennan. We'll see how the footage comes out. Damn, These guys are freaking badass. I gotta learn how to fly from them. Look at how fast these things go. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. So we also got Mr. Nismo here, get some shots with us. Gotta add a second car to make it a little bit fun. Okay, here we go. Gotta make a couple laps with the Nismo and the racing drones. It should be fun.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. We got some good racing drone footage. Big thanks to my friend Ephraim, FPV. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. I'll link it below. And big thanks to my friend Brennan, 808 Nismo GTR. I'll also link his IG below. But now we got a couple more things to do. We stopped to grab some food. Dying bee. Bees are evil. 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 We came to CBK's for lunch. Got a roasted artichoke and what is this? Spinach salad. Or pizza. Roasted veggie salad. And the kids got their mushroom and sausage pizza. And of course bread. This is that new cauliflower crust they have at CBK. If you haven't tried it yet, you should try it. I think they use cauliflower in the dough too or something, but it's really good. Okay, ready?
Yep.
This is Hayden. This is his first time riding in a GTR.
Oh, that was so good! You should see my reaction. I was like, oh, wow, that was fun.
Do one more?
Yeah, one more.
Okay. sad about getting rid of the car.
He's really good at acting though. See, he just started.
Because we just told him that that was probably the last time they were gonna ride in the car. Back at home now. Hayden had a blast riding in the GTR, and my friend and his daughter just got to our house. Take them for a ride, and then I think we're gonna call it a night. Sad day. My son is still a bit upset about it, but hey, I told him we'll get another one in the future. Just a car, right?
Make sure you keep looking at the camera. Yeah, let me chance it. There's a car coming. I can make it. Looks like there's an AMG behind us.
The next day.
T-minus about 7 hours till sell the car. It sucks. It's for a great cause though. Gotta get into investments, get the family a house. It sucks letting go of your dream car, but if you're letting go of your dream car for a really good reason, I just dropped the kids off at school. I gotta do a couple more things. Gotta scrape the stickers, take out the kids' seats and everything like that, and get my stuff in the trunk. Then the GTR is gonna be gone. Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
This time it'll be in our parking stall. Going to meet the guy now at my bank. Gonna be the last time I start this thing up. I think. Yeah. It's been a fun year. T-minus 20 minutes or so till the process gets started. Oh, wish me luck.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And it's going. It's going. Huh? What? There he goes. There it is. There it is.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Talk about family when family's all that we got. Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last
So
ride.
let the light guide your way.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.
Been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long